because we started with just oil. Everyone took it for granted, but we had onions, and that was just the beginning. Our journey of a million miles. But we never travel alone, not without pepper. And pepper is friends with tomatoes. They have been inseparable for eons of years, from the palace of the English queen to the kitchen of the royal king. But we needed fish. Who travels without fish? But no matter the distance, salt must come a long way, and seasonings, and then nothing else. Anything else could hamper the tranquility of this journey, except leaves. I have so much to say about leaves, but not today. Cover it. People of the galaxy, they thought it would amount to nothing because it started with oil. Welcome to heaven, a journey of a million miles. There is only one way to do it. We must add meat to meat, and waters of meat, and rivers of water. But this is just the beginning of the start. Cover it. Uncover it. There are other passengers in this journey, but these are not the main passengers. Some wear yellow, others wear red. Cover it. Uncover it. Black guys wear there, and the ground guys. When can we see the main passengers? Cover it. This one is dark in nature, but naturally, this one is white. Is that the main passenger? Cover it. Enough of that. It could have started any other way, but we added meat to meat, and we added several other things, so we could turn things around and show things around. Salt was part of it, and leaves from all walks of life. No one takes a journey without leaves. Is leaves the main passenger? Leaf is not passenger enough. Cover it. Other leaves we are waiting to come inside. Are they the main passengers? For where? We cannot give honor to whom honor is not due. Every passenger is passenger enough, and respect is reciprocal. You have seen everything. Cover it. Even though it started with rice, there are things we never understood. We had yellow river, and white waters, and yellow powder. But that confused us even further, because no one could figure out the end from the beginning. Maybe the young man could give us a clue. Cover it. Uncover it. You don't cover what you don't understand. Do you understand eggs? But you cannot eat egg and rice. We know this to be oil, but they added what we don't understand. What must we do? We must add what we already know, since we can't know everything. Add corn, and white waters, and green and yellow peppers. What can we call this? We never figured it out. We added everything from far and near, but it remained strange to every member of the community until they added rice. We've never seen rice before. It was only whispered among palace maidens as foods for the gods, and we were not gods. Cover it. So we made up our mind that we will eat the food made for the gods. If we perish, we perish. But it took the intervention of the Onowu to rescue the food from the people, even though one thing remained uncertain. We never knew whether the Onowu took the food to the gods, or Onowu is gods.